In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoho Sheet, the 2025 guide. If you've created a spreadsheet in Zoho Sheet and need a copy on your computer, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish in just a few clicks. I'll also share a few quick tips to avoid common hiccups so you can export confidently and get back to work. First, open your web browser and go to Zoho Sheet. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Zoho account. Once you're in, you'll land on your spreadsheet's dashboard. By default, you'll see files you own. You can also switch to shared files or use the search bar if you don't immediately see the one you want. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or accounts. It's a small check that can save you from downloading the wrong file. Next, locate the specific sheet you want to download. Hover your mouse over that file to reveal the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Options. This menu is your shortcut to actions like rename, share, and download. Make sure you've selected the correct spreadsheet title before clicking, especially if you keep multiple versions with similar names. If the three dots don't show up right away, try moving your cursor slightly over the file thumbnail or the right side of the row. On some screens, the menu appears only on hover. Now click Download from that menu. Zoho Sheet will typically offer you several export formats, such as Microsoft Excel, XLSX, PDF for a fixed layout snapshot, or CSV if you need a lightweight plain text table for imports. Choose the format that matches how you plan to use the file. For most editing in desktop apps, XLSX is the best option. After you select, your browser will begin the download and save it to your default downloads folder, unless you've set a different location. If your browser asks for permission or tries to block the file, allow the download to proceed. Large spreadsheets may take a little longer. Keep an eye on the download indicator to confirm it completes, and that's it. You've opened Zoho Sheet in your browser, use the three-dot menu on the spreadsheet you need, and selected Download to export it to your computer. If you run into any trouble, double-check your internet connection, verify that you have permission to download the file, and confirm you chose the correct format for your use case. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly grab the exact version of your Zoho Sheet you need.